Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You forget me.
Oh, let's have a look. What a cracking sleep last night. How's it out here? Oh, it's like it's been raining again. Which is good, it rains nice and early and then clears up. Is it warm? It looks cold out there, doesn't it? But when we open this door, a good soak in there, soak away all these aches and pains. Oh, absolute bliss. Having a nice soak. It's nice and hot. Now then, where are we? I'm in my little apartment. Well, it's not an apartment, it's a big room. A big posh room. A little bit posh for me. But as I was having a soak in the bath before, I thought to myself, the next time I come to Pattaya, I'm going to stay in a room like this and treat myself. So if I come for 7-10 days, something like this, what a difference. Superb aircon, superb facilities. It's going to be my little treat from now on. When I come to Pattaya, I'm going to splash out a little bit and live in a little bit of luxury. Right, what am I going to do today? Well, it's my final full day. I'm going to get my feet sorted once and for all, get these blisters popped, and I'm also going to go to the market on sort of a cow. I want to buy a city shirt for my mate and one for my daughter. I will then get some food and have a few beers in the bars. A nice room like this would be good to bring back a nice lady or two. Owen, you're not like that. You're not like that anymore, you're too old. Right, stop waffling. Stop waffling. I've got all my sun cream on, get my cap, got my little fanny pack, get my over tight trainers on that are giving me blisters, and get out and do a little bit of exploring. It's not too, what time is it? What time is it, Owen? It's 9:51. I want to mention as well in here, these tiles on the floor, they're like a non-slip, and it's really comfortable on the old feet. I get these shoes on, they're crippling me. I've only got to wear them another day and a half. And when I get back to England, I'm going to treat myself to a proper pair of nice, expensive trainers. Right, Owen, over and out. Now this is a proper lift.
Doors closing.
And we've got the swimming pool. Just press 7.
7th floor. Doors opening.
Yeah,
Going down.
going down. I've heard that expression before. Where's the swimming pool at? Must be up here. Oh, it's raining. Blinking heck, it's raining. Never mind, Owen. Gives me more chance to sit in them bars. I hope it's just a quick shower. Is this slippy? No. Non-slip. They thought of everything in here. Right, it's breakfast time. Cheap Charlie's or comes. For me, slightly ahead, Cheap Charlie's. I like the manager there, cracking lad. The staff, very attentive, and I think they're a little bit friendlier. Although I've only been in Comes once, so obviously I'm a bit of a stranger to them. Not a lot in it. Food, almost equal. Cheap Charlie's, a little bit more aircon. Both of them are good. Recommend both of them. but it's laning. It's laning, Owen. Got cheap houses nearer as well. I don't mind the rain at all. It's refreshing, cools you down. I used to love jogging in the rain, playing football in the rain, even walking up in the hills in the rain. It's only water at the end of the day. It's harmless. A bit like me, harmless. A little bit of information about Koh Chang. I don't know if that's a decent price or not. I never got round to it this trip, but I will next time. So I'll film that just to give me an idea. So this is a Susan intersection. So sir, Sarah Owen, so sir, Sarah Rare, Sir, Sarn. Now then, just had a pedicure on Sardiana. I went and told her about my blisters, showed her my blisters, but she advised me not to cut or pop them because it's wet and the bacteria will give me an infection. So she cut my toenails, cleaned them up a bit, scrubbed my feet. It was 150 baht, I give it 250, it was there for about 45 minutes. I hate people playing with my toes and that, it's excruciating. But fair play to her, she could have cut the blisters, but she's advised me against it. So I'm going to go with her advice, she lives here. Yeah, so I'm going to head now, I don't know where, just aimlessly walking about, fighting off the urge to get myself a Leo. I even thought about, should I go to the cinema and spend a few hours in the cinema, but I don't know what's on. I might go down to T21 for a posh, you know what, see what's on at the movies. Saturday night at the movies.
Photo me.
Photo you?
Where you going?
I go Terminal 21.
Huh?
Terminal 21. Oh, how much is your
1,000 baht. Oh.
Oh, okay, thank you. Right, I've got some Cam Thai, Technique Noi, and Mamuang, Dash, Cow Niao, Mango and sticker eyes. I put 100 baht on my card, and somehow he must have given me a big portion, and I had to give him 9 baht extra cash. So 109 baht. Could eat this somtam all day long. Absolutely. Yeah. Beautiful. Just going for a posh poo. Nothing for me there in the movies. Guardians of the Galaxy, a few tight movies, and Fast and Furious version 136. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to walk down, I'm going to walk along the beach, take my shoes off, and have a walk along the water's edge and see if the sand and the grit get rid of these blisters. Could be a mistake. That's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to curl up in a bar somewhere and chill out. Might even go for an oil massage. I was going to go to Soy 6, but I don't know, can't be bothered. But things could change. As you can see in the distance, a group of guys. I think they're Indian. I'm not 100% certain. But one of them had some of the, you know, they have the Thais make like a little flowers, like a little garland, and he had it round his head, sat on his head, and I didn't, obviously I wasn't filming, but as I walked past, not good, not good, and he made him take it off. Not good in Thailand. So perhaps he was showing some sort of disrespect. The Indian lads were polite. Oh, sorry, sorry. And they gave it thing to the Thai tuk-tuk driver, the Song Tao drivers. So I don't know what he's done wrong there, but they weren't happy. They weren't happy. All four of them were shouting at him. So something I've never seen before. Don't know what it was. Perhaps that they've got this little Buddha flowery thing, whatever it's called, and he was wearing it on his head. Perhaps, I don't know. Anybody know in the comments why they upset the Song Tao drivers? Because the lads weren't saying anything, they weren't noisy. They just came out of the hotel and started towards the Song Tao. Right. It's a cooler day today. I'm going to cross Beach Road, take my shoes off and my socks. I'm going to try and walk the full length of the beach to the beer garden, and if anything comes into my head, I will have a little bit of a talk about it.
Why you won't make me?